Dear friends, I am Tara Rada, spokesperson for Lacelebrity Lifestyle Consultancy, Abu Dhabi and Dubai, UAE. I am excited to welcome to Lacelebrity Lifestyle Consultancy's weekly lifestyle workshop sessions on Saturday and Sunday. On behalf of our founder, Director Dr. Sathesh Vikramadithian, I convey to you the possibility of perfect health with ease through our simplified lifestyle programs. Renowned for his groundbreaking work in health and consciousness, Dr. Vikram has spent decades pioneering holistic management in medical research, earning international accolades. With specialized expertise in physiology, neuroscience, and lifestyle medicine, Dr. Vikram provides an innovative approach to reversing lifestyle diseases and promoting a holistic life. Visit www.ufaworldorg.in for more information about Dr. Vikram's work and mission. In the 3-hour session, we cover the following topics: how you can manage high blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, thyroid disorders, anxiety, depression, root causes and risk factors, how lifestyle choices impact your health, the Lacelebrity Lifestyle Program approach, integrating mind, body, and spirit, the role of precision nutrition, movement, and mental wellness, personalized lifestyle prescriptions. In depth, we deliver you intellectual detox, clearing mental clutter, precision nutrition recommendation, tailored nutrition for optimal health, ACU touch healing, balancing energy pathways for healing, postural control of blood pressure, immediate impact techniques, heart math biofeedback test, breath influence on neurophysiology, lifestyle scan, analyzing habits and stress points, basic yoga postures, building strength and flexibility, basics of meditation, cultivating inner peace and balance, lifestyle prescription, personalized plan for lasting change, herbal nutrition supplements, plant-based healing support, core principles for managing lifestyle diseases, the power of breath and heart rhythm, nutritional choices that heal, mind-body, techniques for stress reduction, natural supplementation. We are sure of our lifestyle prescriptions' impact on your management of the chronic diseases. That's why we provide you with the money-back guarantee. Well, enroll now for the 3-hour workshop by a text message in WhatsApp to 00971545307927 and visit www.ufaworldorg.in for more info. Importantly, first hour is free for who would like to check the quality and uniqueness of our program. See you soon at our workshops. Good luck.